Good day everyone! For today's video, my team or our team will share all about reflecting the nature of ICT and the manners by which the learning process has changed your worldview. So from the word ICT, it means information, communication, and technology. So as we living in this lovely world, we are surrounded by technology. So we have here a information technology. It is an excellent program that helps students learn their competences and lessons. Yes, we'll learn such things through the use of ICT. Through it, we can get news and information or updates about the things that are happening in our society. We use ICT to interact and communicate to our relatives and friends, even though we are far from each other. So we can see here that technology has a very big impact to our lives. Yes, because it makes our work easier. So next we have information technology. School program molded as students to be well guarded and equipped from the continuous evolution of technology. Through use of online learning tools, with the students acquire lecture with WAS, used in previous lessons, answer quizzes through online, and do activities that is related with the schoolworks. The integration of ICT in the senior high school program. So we can see that so when the pandemic came up, pag-abot sa pandemic, murag gani ang dili na we can't go to school because of a COVID, and narata sa atong balay for online classes or ang nag-answer lang taog module. So technology helps us to learn and to learn. So learning process of ICT has changed our worldview. ICT is an essential in our lives. It helps us in our education as well as, yes, it's very helpful because now, while I'm doing my video, I am using technology. Yes, this has introduced us this way of learning for both students and the teachers. If we observe are well educated about the use of ICT, we surely can lift up our society. It could be a great way to apply the things that we learn to improve our society. Yes, through ICT, we can improve our society because, kung mga una pa yung panahon, dili sila nagagamit og ICT. So, grabe kayo kahinay ang process sa ilahang, labi nang mag-send sila og message kay through sulat pa man. So, grabe yun kay kalisod. So, sa tuwa karon, we are lucky because we have a technology. So, ang atong society, magka-improve siya kay labi na karon nga, pwede na ka maka-chat sa messenger, bisag di ka magpa-load, makasend na ka og message. Dili pa rin sa una nga, kaniyang kinahanglan pa nimo loadan nimong cellphone kay para maka-text ka. So, karon, na naman sa cellphone, we have Facebook, Messenger, Gmail, Messenger, pwede siya, bisag walay load, maka-send kag message. So, grabe kayo ang impact sa technology sa tuwa karon. So, the next reporter will be my team, and ICT we have negative and positive impact to our life.
The positive and negative impact of ICT in our lives. The positive impacts of ICT can have positive impacts on people. The positive impacts of ICT can access to information. Possible the greatest effect of ICT on individuals is the huge increase in access to information and services that has accompanied the growth of the internet. Improved access to education, distance learning, and online tutorials, new ways of learning, interactive multimedia, and virtual reality. Sa tulong ng ICT ay mas napapabilis ang ating gawain, kaya mas marami pa tayong nagagawa sa bawat oras na umaandar. Mabilis rin tayong makakakuha ng impormasyon sa tulong nito. Nakakatulong din ito sa ating pag-aaral, gaya na lang ng online class pa lang tayo. And the negative impacts of ICT on people is job loss. One of the largest negative impact of ICT can be the loss of the person's job. Maaari maapektuhan o maaaring may mawawalan ng trabaho dahil hindi lahat ng tao ay marunong gumamit ng ICT. Second is reduced personal interaction. Being able to work from home is usually regarded as being a positive impact of using ICT, but there can be negative impact as well. Ang pagtatrabaho sa bahay, positibong epekto ng ICT, ngunit may negatibo ring epekto rito. The third is reduced physical activity. A third negative effect of ICT is that user may adopt more sedentary lifestyle. Kapag ito ay nagagamit na ng sobra o nagkakaroon ng addiction, maraming negatibong epekto ang maaaring mangyari. Maaaring maapektuhan ang kalusugan dahil sa posibleng kakulangan sa tulog, pagkain at pahinga.
Negative impacts of ICT on organization. Cost. The cost of using ICT may cause a number of problems of organizations. A lot of ICT hardware and software is expensive, both to purchase and to maintain. Competition. This is usually thought of as being a good thing, but for some organizations, being exposed to greater competition can be a problem. Security. This is always a problem for any organization that uses ICT. Data must be kept secure, internet connections must be protected from attack, new viruses and other forms of malware are released nearly every day. ICT can have positive effect on the society. Probably the largest impact that ICT use has on society is allowing members of society to have a greatly increased access to information. This can have numerous positive effects such as increasing opportunities for education, improving communication, allowing people to participate in a wider, even worldwide society. The negative impact of ICT on the society. Probably the largest effect that ICT use has on society is allowing members of society to have a greatly increased access to information. This can have numerous negative effects such as causing a digital divide between those who can access information and those who cannot, reducing levels of education and understanding due to vast amount of incorrect and misleading information that is available, causing moral and ethical problems due to the nature of some of the material available. The positive impact of ICT on education. On the positive side, the use of ICT in education can provide opportunities that might not otherwise exist, such as distant learning where students can access teaching materials from all over the world, the ability to perform impossible experiments by using simulation, the possibility for students to have individual learning programs within a topic, rather than everybody having to do the same thing at the same time, at the same space. More able students can be given more challenging work. Less able students can access remedial lessons.
So that's all everyone. I hope you enjoyed and learned something for today's video. If you want to learn more, please click the bell button para ma-update kayo sa mga bagong post naming video. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you again. Bye!